Account receivable. Under the setup, customer posting profile. If you create or edit the posting profile first, for example, this, so posting profile, enter the short name for the posting profile for, and this is the additional description of posting profile. Specify whether the posting profile apply to a single customer or a group of customer or all customer. So if you select table for a single customer, select also a customer number in the account group number field. If you select a group for a single customer group, select also a customer group number in the account number field. If you select all, for all customer, leave the account group number field blank. Select the ledger account to be used as the customer summary account for the customers covered by the posting profile. This is the settle account. Enter the liquidity ledger account used for cash flow, account number for tax for payment received in advance, automatic settlement. Indicate whether you want to enable automatic settlement for entries created with this posting profile or whether settlement must be performed manual by using open transaction editing interest. Enter the identification of an interest due for the current posting profile. Enter the identification of the collection letter sequence used for the current posting profile. Select a previously defined posting profile to use when closing. So there is the very short review of customer posting profile. So thank you.